YouTube, what's going on? So it's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and I had a couple extra minutes, and so I went to the Goodwill. I have not been to the Goodwill in, honestly, I don't even know how long. So I'm very excited. Yeah, I am extremely excited. So let's get on with this, right? Okay. So it's two different Goodwills. One was on my way to one of my clients' house, and one was once I left. I was like, well, I have to go to another one, right? So the color of this week was yellow. So it was 50% off yellow. At the first store, I did get a couple that were 50 cents off. Let me try to turn that on, see if it's a little better. And then at the second store, there was no yellows. So I got this. It's just little egg Jell-O containers. I just thought they were cute. They were 50 cents. So why not? Like, and it still has the thing on it. And so it tells you like how you make them and stuff like that. So I just thought it was cute. And for 50 cents, I will definitely make these for my kids. So I thought that was cute. On that same kind of aspect, I guess, I got these and they were 99 cents and they're still in their package. So they are still brand new, and there is 6 here, and they are carrots, right? But you can put stuff in them and they sit flat. So I'm just going to set these on the table, I think, with little treats for my kids. So I thought that was cute. I'm just saying I thought everything was cute, right? And that was 99 cents if I didn't say that. This right here was also 99 cents. I only got it because I liked the paper inside of it, like the color of the paper. Can't really see it, but it's an off-white kind of paper. So that's why I got it. It's 99 cents. So I've seen all over Facebook where people are doing the little golden books and making little books out of them. Yeah, I haven't done it yet, but I found the Sleeping Beauty little golden book. And so I believe it was like 99 cents or something. So I decided to get it and see if one of these days I'm going to make something with it. This one is Sweet and Savory, Award-Winning Recipes Made Easy by Shauna Evans. Let me just show you guys this. So I looked through this, and there was the most amazing and easy recipes ever. So there's like the section for desserts. Those are good, guys. Good. Okay. Almost homemade ice cream. Hold on one second. I'll be right back, guys. We're going to try to go without the lights because people are kind of looking. So we'll see what happens. Anyways, this is a strawberry fluff. And almost homemade ice cream. Mexican kitchen carnitas or nitas, whatever. It's a hardback book, you guys. And it says it's normally, I just saw the price. Let me at least turn one of these on. Maybe this one. I don't know. It says that this is normally, I thought I just saw a price. I thought it said like $17.99. Maybe I saw it in here. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So it had amazing stuff in it. I really liked it. And I lost my bag, I guess, that I had everything in. Oh, it slid down. So when all this is over, I will be having parties again. I will be inviting everyone over and having gatherings. I absolutely love to have get-togethers and to have parties. And if people just come over for dinner, I'm like, oh, there needs to be a theme. Like, I'm all about themes and everything like that, right? So I found the biggest party book ever, you guys. This was only 99 cents. 99 cents. So it says 200 things to make, things to do, things to cook for the best party ever. That's me, the best party ever. So it is, like, it just has so many different things. It has, like, recipes you can make. Yeah, like, it's get cooking. So it's, like, easy things that you can make. Look at the little, popcorn thing there, all that stuff. It has different decorations that you can do and how to make them for the themed party. This is if you wanted to have a wizard party. Yes. So they're all just different, and it shows you like how to do everything. Here's for a frog party, you guys. Was it snake or a frog? I don't even care. It's so cute. I think it's a snake frog. Oh, I don't know. But it is so cute. So this was 99 cents. Again, a hard book, and it is thick, and it has a lot of stuff in it. So that had to come home with me. Had to. I did pick up this peppermint pound cake printed on a flour sack towel, and it was 99 cents, and it really does have the whole entire recipe on there. on a flour sack towel. So that is so cute. And it's still in the package, you guys. So it says it's a flour sack towel 30 by 30. So I'm just going to use this for decor, but how cute is it? Like I said, and it really has the recipe. So I thought that was cool. So we travel a lot, me and my kids and everyone. So we're always going somewhere. And so I found this road trip bingo. Okay. So anyways, this is a road trip bingo. It was 99 cents. I'm sure I could print it out online, but we're always trying to find something to do. And it says at Pier 1, it was $7.95. It's still in the package, and it says 12 cards to play on road trips. And I like it because it's just the things you see. I don't like the like alphabet game, like if you see something with an A, a B, because then you get to these certain letters, whoever has like the Q or whatever, you're never going to find them ever. So this is like, has a bus, a billboard, a farm animal, a farm. So that was so cute. So I got that for our little trips. I did also get, let's see, hold on one second. I keep having to stop, guys. So I did also get this bigger rotary mat. There is a little mark right here. It was 50 cents. I do have some of the ones from the Dollar Tree, but this one is a lot bigger. So it is, obviously I can just look at this. I don't know. Anyways, it's a cutting base. Yeah, I don't know, guys. Anyways, so it is much larger than the ones at the Dollar Tree. It was only 50 cents. So I got that. This was $1.50. I really need a good 3-hole punch. I got one from the Dollar Tree, but obviously it doesn't work as good as I need it to. So I got this, $1.50. All right, guys, we are moving along. So what I got tonight from there, almost all of it, like I feel like the last two things, they're amazing. I love them. So this was only 99 cents, and it is just like a plain nothing notebook, but the paper is like a weathered paper. So I loved that. I don't even have to like tea dye it or anything. So I got that. I loved that. This right here is the DIY Bride Crafty Countdown. So I have, from when I was getting married last year in April, one of the countdown books. That's very nice. But I liked, this has how to make the different decorations that if you want to make. There was one in here that specifically caught my eye. Like here's the bridesmaid's button hairpin. There's the picture. Let me get the glare off. And then it tells you how to make it right there. Well, that's actually like how you, like what they think about it or whatever. And then here is how you make it in this one. And then it says right here, like the budget, like the price, all that kind of stuff, like and what it costs total. So it costs $2.20 per thing to make it. A feather boutonniere shows you right there. Here's how to make it. And then here again is the budget total for it. So $14.20 for 3 boutonnieres. So I thought that was really cute just because it had crafts in it. Like it doesn't have to be for weddings. These could be for anything. I think these are the last two. I could not be any more excited about these guys. So I came in kind of thinking, am I going to get anything? Probably not, but let me just waste a couple minutes before I go home and have to face reality at home with everyone. Like, I love everyone, but sometimes I just need a little bit of time to myself, and I have not really had that this week. So I did get this, you guys. So this right here, okay. So this right here, guys, it is 72 sheets of handmade paper, beautifully crafted in a variety of textures and colors. 100% cotton silk fiber, 12 by 12 sheets, archival safe, acid, PVC, and 100% lignin free by Memory Store. So there, like I said, there's 72 sheets. So this paper right here, I'm trying to, okay, so you can kind of look at these papers. Like this is the one with all of the different papers on it. And then like right here is some of the paper. Look at how beautiful that is. And it's like stitched on. Isn't that so pretty? So I was very excited about this. It's still, can't get that on. The top was open, but it's still in most of its original packaging. There was some other papers that I really liked. There's that one that they stitched. They are beautiful. So I got this for $3.99. This back one was one that I really liked too. So I got this for $3.99. It was totally worth it. The last thing I got, guys, let me show you. So I love to learn new things, but I'm more of a visual person. I got this book. It was $3.99. And somebody made this by hand. So here's some tags up here. These do not come out. Trust me, I wanted to see and I tried to pull. They do not. So here's the front page. But can we not just move along to, so I was looking to see if the back ones came out, to the next pages. Here is these ones. So here is a postcard right here, and it has a pocket that you can put something in. So there is those 2 pages. And these pages are thick. Like, I don't know what the heck they made them with, but they are thick. So I got this not to give away, not to sell or anything, so that I could learn from it. Right here, this is 3D. It's not on there. This is 3D. Here's another page this is all 3D on it. I just look at this one. So then we get over to here, and this is an envelope right here, and they tied this around it, and these are all 3D. I think this one is just 3D things. You can put something under here to hold it in if you want. Some more just 3D things that are just absolutely beautiful. This, I think, yeah, so this comes out. So here is that, and this, I believe, also comes out, guys. And then these at the top come out. So these are all little pockets, and the little things are still in them. I have to show you every page because I just love this. So here is this. I'm trying to figure out how to show you. So there's this. And this is also comes out, I think. I don't want to break it, so it might not. But how beautiful is that? Another little pockets right here. That is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yes. Am I going backwards? Nope. So here's this page again. This one right here, guys. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, these all come out. Oh my gosh. So here's all these tags, you guys. Like, so many different tags in here. I did not even know all those came out. Here is another one. Here's another page. Oh my gosh. I was kind of like, oh man, I can't believe I paid $3.99, but it's so worth it. What is this? Oh my gosh. This is, I'm going to put this down for a minute so I can show you guys. This is a little notebook, and it has all the little pages in it that they made. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And it has the little tag right here. Let me put this back in here where it belongs. And then this is the last 2 pages. I believe, does this come out? Yes, this comes out of here. And this comes out of here. And there's this beautiful paper back here. And then this back here is just gorgeous. So you guys, like, this is absolutely gorgeous, and you can literally see like how they made it. You can look underneath and see there was like the foam on it, the different things that they cut out, just how they made it. And that's what I love. I love learning to make new things and to have it in my hands so I can see how it is made. So guys, that is my Goodwill. That was only $3.99. So that was my Goodwill haul. I'm sorry if it got a little bit dark. I think I might do a video on its own of my little book because I'm so excited about that. But anyways, I hope everyone is having an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.